SIM card today, have we?
Not.
We gotta get finding one right now. Right?
That's my God.
トラックといえば H1 のハマーかっこいいよね。見て、上にライトがあってかっこいいよ。これはめっちゃいい。色もいい。That's a nice color, huh?
I like that color.
Really nice H1 Hummer. Nice, bro. すごい改造してやってめっちゃかっこいいハマーじゃない？ナイス。そしてでももうみんな帰るので、あっちゃんみんな帰っちゃうともういい車がなかったら困るよね。S2000 もあってあれがあって、でもあっちゃんキムさんすんげーキムさん、エンジンもうオーナーさんも帰るところなのでエンジンかけてもらおうと思ってます。 We have an 86 as well, my friend, so this is awesome. Let's hear this thing. Woo! That is awesome. Oh yeah! Nice. I love the little tips. That's awesome. Oh, like this is the loud one? Oh, alright. One of these days, real soon, our 20 valve is coming out to be making its debut at the show. Fujiwara Tofu car, left-hand drive, and a high winding 20 valve. 488. Real soon. かっこいい。これはハードチューンジャパン。Nice, man. I love it. You just have it right here. Hard to choose Japan. Trueno. Kakoi. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Another member. We're going to make an 86 club.
Dude,
Right, kid?
gotta make one.
We got to make an 86 club.
Good, man.
Awesome,
Sure.
man. Awesome. Great car.
right,
Nice to meet
thank
you. Have a great day. Ah-chan, 早くなんか見つかったよ。GTS33 GTS25 のセダンだよ。セダンオーラ。Kim-san, you know this car?
I
Did you
saw
find
it
this
earlier.
car?
Yeah, I know this car.
Nice car, man. Very cool. Did you just get this?
No, we've had it like half a year.
You did? Okay. You gotta go park next to my car now. We gotta get a picture together. Go pull next to that purple car real quick. Yeah, let's go take a shot real quick.
Okay.
Cool.
You're in town January 8th.
いいじゃないですか、これは。かっこいいじゃん。スカイライン2台。面白いよね。33の4枚の、セダンですよね。かっこいい2台で。Thumbs up, man. いい車あったね。あっちは今日はいっぱいいい車、スーパーカーもあったし、トラックは多かったんだよね。
いいトラックいっぱいあった。
そして86も見たんだけど、日本車の右ハンドル車ではもっといい車もう1台でもあるのかなと思ったら、あっちゃん
どうした？
キムさんすげーかわいい。これはこの間動画見てたんだけど、オーナーさんに会おうとしたらもういなくなってたんで会えなかったんだけど、この車めちゃくちゃ気に入りました。パジェロですよね。日本仕様のもちろん日本の車だからフェンダーミラーというか、このミラーがあると アメリカ人は使い方わかるのかな。これはねすごい便利なものですよね。こっちがぶつからないようにあるものです。この前のこのフラッシュガードっていうんですか、かっこいい。そして三菱のでっかいオフロード用のランプがかっこいいよ。メッキでかっこいいな。そしてこの色、当時のやっぱりパジェロ、この色なんかあったんだよね。2トーンっていう3トーンだよね。なんかよく見るとパジェロのフィールとミラーとこのごついシェイプというかバイザーですよね。かっこいい。28のエンジン、ターボディーゼル、そしてやっぱり日本の寒い地域にあった特別使用車ですよね。これはかっこいい。このパジェロのタイヤカバー、そしてこの形っていうかこのラダーっていうか上に行けるように、やっぱり上にも荷物とかを乗せることもあるんだろうね。かわいい。ステッカーが多いしいいね。そしてちょっとオーナーさん、Hey Kim, this is the Pajero that you found a few weeks ago, right?
Right. I
And
fueled
you
up.
told me about it, and we got a little glimpse of it, but I never got a chance to meet the owner. I think today we have a chance to meet the owner. You know why?
Because he's
The guy
here.
who's standing here in the empty parking lot right next to me. I have a feeling he may be the owner. Nice to meet you, man. I'm Steve. Lewis, pleasure to meet you. Awesome vehicle. I was so upset. You can ask the guy with the camera right now how upset I was the other day when I didn't get a chance to meet you and check out your vehicle. This is awesome.
Thank you.
The only Pajero. Now this is a mini. Is this considered
This is an XR2.
XR2?
So it's a full size.
Okay.
Two-door.
Two-door full size. And
Yes.
and correct me because I don't know a lot about Pajeros. Is there a four-door Pajero version as
So
well, right?
You have 4-door,
Yep.
2-door,
Yep.
mini,
Mini.
and junior.
I didn't
Dang.
realize there was
Yeah.
that many of them.
I
There's
had
a
no idea.
junior-
Holy
junior's
cow.
the smallest?
Junior's the smallest, mini is slightly bigger.
Yep.
Those are both considered Ks.
Okay.
And then this is the full-size 2-door, and then there's the 4-door.
Got it.
Yeah.
So this is probably in Japan a number 5 license plate, a 5-number license plate, as opposed to the big one, which are probably 3,000 cc's and over. This is a 2.8, right?
2.8, yeah.
So this is probably a 5. It was a little cheaper on the registration, and 3 numbers to probably the big full size.
Yeah.
Is that a bigger engine displacement?
No, they have. So they all came with either 2.5 diesel,
Okay.
2.8, which is this.
Okay.
And then the V6 and the 3.5 gas.
The gas. You got the good engine,
Yeah.
though, huh? The 2.8 turbo diesel, right?
Yep, intercooled.
This is fun to drive,
It's fun. It's a little slow, but it's okay.
and it's automatic, right?
Automatic, yep.
Okay. And how long have you owned this thing?
I've had this for about 6 months. I have a friend in Florida that imported it for me.
Wow.
Yep.
It looks like
Thank
it's in great shape.
Yep.
Were you looking for a Mitsubishi like this, for a Pajero?
So at the time when I was looking for one, there was another one local that was for sale. That was a narrow body, so it doesn't have the cladding or the fender flares.
Right.
But it was in rough shape. This one has like all the Odin toolkits there, factory options like the ladder, brush guard, fog lights, all the cool stuff. So
It's a fantastic vehicle. I got to tell you, when I saw it, I said, I met a guy with the Delica. I met some Delica guys.
Yep.
Speaking of Mitsubishi, my friend Andy, I just got a ticket test driving his 3000 GT.
His VR4
Right?
Spider.
The good news is this. Your vehicle's not nearly as fast, so I guess if we went to a ride, the chance of getting a ticket like that guy just did right there, Kim,
Yeah.
did you get that guy getting caught just now?
Did
Looked
I?
like the police did. Well, he's in a Mustang.
Yeah.
He's in trouble. The good news is, right, this vehicle doesn't go that fast. It'll probably be harder to get a ticket in a vehicle like yours.
oh yeah, no, you're not gonna get
Right. As fast as we took
Yeah,
off,
because it's not possible to get a ticket in a beat either.
I'd love to take a ride with you in your vehicle.
I would love to do it, but right now it's got a little bit of a coolant leak that happened this morning.
I noticed a little
So-
drip underneath there. Is that coolant coming
Yeah,
in?
the radiator just
no.
started cracking on the way here.
Oh,
so.
no.
It's okay.
Can we do a rain check?
No, we definitely.
Once
do
you
a
get it
rain
fixed
check.
up?
Yeah. But you're more than welcome to look through it now if you want, or if you want to wait until the rain check, it's up to you.
I think we got a nice little teaser for it right now. 次回まで今日は乗れないんだけれども今度ラジエーター直って運転させてもらえるというもう約束ついたので今度の一つの楽しみにしとこうかで皆さん I think they'll appreciate that. We'll give them a little tease today. Next time we'll be back. We'll check this thing out. Take it for a nice ride.
Yeah,
First.
definitely, for sure.
Pleasure to
Thank
meet
so
you,
much.
man.
Yeah.
Awesome vehicle.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Thank you.
Thank you.
これ J さんという人なんだけど J はこのさっきから気になってた素晴らしい LS400 今まで見たことない もう程度のいい LS400. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Your car, before you came back to this car right, and we were admiring it. Everybody was saying that is the cleanest LS400 ever.
Appreciate it.
And in the back of my mind, as you were walking up, and I said, Grandpa gave me the car. Grandpa gave me the car. Was I right?
Yes, sir.
Hell
yes,
yeah,
sir.
I knew it, man. I knew that was the case. But that is awesome. And I don't mean that in any disrespectful way whatsoever.
100%, yes,
Grandpa
sir.
hooked you up.
Yes, sir. It was his pride and joy, and it's my pride and joy right now. So.
Can I take a look at your pride and joy real quick, a little
Yes,
bit
sir.
inside?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I love this car. この車のすごいのは、まず真っ黒、ブラックにネッキーのホイール。そして、あっちゃん、これはね、オプションだったのは、このゴールドパッケージ。ゴールドのエンブレム。やっぱりかっこいい人は、当時は黒にゴールドはかっこいい。さらにゴールドのナンバープレートのところもあってかっこいい。この車は本当に完璧に近い感じです。当時の。And hey Jay, is that the antenna from the day back in the day too?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It has a pop-up antenna as
It
well.
does right there too, but it's got that. It's got the blacked out tint. で、中も黒なので、失礼します。中も黒です。これは、レクサスの鍵も懐かしいよ。あっちゃん、懐かしい。このエンジン音聞いて。見てこれ。はい。これ、ほら、こっちちゃんと来るよ。で、めっちゃ懐かしい音になります。あー、セルシオというか、LS の音なんだよね。黒、10万マイルを超えたばか16万キロなのかな。おじいちゃんに譲ってもらった最高級車だよね。これは最高級車。Hey Jay, I'm gonna open up your console real quick, alright? Because I have a feeling I'm gonna find something cool in there.
Yes, sir.
あっちゃん。イエーイあったー、レクサスの電話だよ、電話。ほら、あっちゃん、当時、かっこいい人がこれ乗ってたんだよ。見て。ほら、じゃあドアちょっと閉めます。はい、少々お待ちください。What's up, bro? What's up? かっこいいよ、これ当時の電話。こういうものがレクサス乗るなら金のある人だったんで、やっぱりこれもコンソールにちゃんとありました。かっこいいな。かっこいい。それとレクサス。Hey, this has got, you got the Nakamichi? You got the Nakamichi! Yes! He got the Nakamichi! あ、じゃあNakamichiは当時はこれは一番いいグレードのいいステレオだったよ、Nakamichi. Got the Nakamichi! 当時こういうのがあったよ。これシートベルトのこっちを見て。上がる、下がる。ね、自分の背の高い人、あっちゃんだったら一番上。パパだったら一番。I'm just setting it to my thing at the lowest setting here. 一番下の設定で。かっこいいよ。いい車だったよ、これは。すごい。Jay, thanks for the memories, man.
No problem.
That's fantastic. You got a great car.
Thank you.
On time, and Grandpa kept it great. You got a great car. You got the Nakamichi and everything, man.
Yes.
Chrome rims, the gold package.
Yes, sir.
And this is the car.
Yes, sir.
Do your friends appreciate what this vehicle is?
I don't think people know how significant it is, and when I tell them that this pioneered so many things found in these modern cars, it's amazing. It's amazing.
Smooth, huh?
Yes, sir.
Close those windows, just sit back and cruise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh man, thank you so
I really
much.
appreciate it.
Awesome car, dude.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
お腹すきました。食べたいと思います。食べましょう。美味しいもの。あっちゃんとの朝ごはん、土曜日の朝の朝ごはん久しぶりだよね。あっちゃんの頼んだのは
なんかスキレット。
スキレットとはアボカドに卵と下にあるポテトか見せて。すげえ、なんか美味しそう、美味しそう。キムさんは
カウボーイスキレット。
カウボーイキムがで、スティーブはいつものパンケーキに卵と、今回はちょっとハムをもう別で頼んでみたので。Nice to have breakfast with the kids now, huh? We haven't seen them in a while, have we? No, it's fun too. It's been fun. Today was a lot of good discoveries today. Pretty good work out there doing some legwork before we showed up. finding some, car hunting, JDM hunting. Thumbs up, guys.
Supercar hunting.
That's that's right. We gotta do some more supercar hunting this year, I think. All right, guys. In the meantime, though, having my show. Like my show. Like my.